Hey YouTube, it's Ben here from Team America 1. Just busted open the case. America! Well, yeah. I already opened one because I was anxious. I did really well.
Got the judgment.
Seven Swords, Sombres, Harpy Channeler. I mean, did good. Now I'm going to be opening.
Still got 3 boxes left.
3 boxes. So, super excited for this. God, that's the first good pull I've ever had out of a box. Like, honestly. Stuff will be flying.
This is going to be all one video or going to be a 3-part video?
3-part video.
Alright.
Well, they had 6 boxes.
Just tell me if it gets close to 10 minutes. Tell me.
1 case plus part 1. That's what we have for prize support.
Is this card any good? Noble Knight, Wall Chat, or whatever?
Yeah, there's no TK with him.
This is the fun part, so I don't know when I'll be able to get more of this.
Battleman Boxer. Can they see everything right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, here. I'll just put those there.
Yeah, put them right in the front.
This is what we have for right now.
That means like they're going to be hardly any.
Wow.
Variance Force.
All my hollows are like right at the beginning. It's ridiculous.
Plus, all the rumors, there's a rumor that there's not going to be a special edition for this set. That means everything in this set will be really high. If it gets good.
If it gets good.
What the heck?
Okay, come on. Outside of.
That's 4 for 4.
That promo.
I mean, obviously it's going to be a chase set because like, it has the chase card of like, the format.
Baby Elemental Dragon.
Basically, it would be like Extreme Victory would have been if we knew it.
This one's heavy. This is a hollow right here.
It's a big ulti.
No, I'm refilling.
Or not.
Or a big rare.
But I got.
Oh, it's a whale, that's why.
Yeah, I got 2 of the Elemental Dragons though.
My friends like the
Gosh. I can't open these to save my life.
What'd you guys pull?
Title!
That's the box aisle. I see why I need that.
I don't know what that is.
Kenny, did you see the calibrator in the next set for Thunder?
Yes, another Sacred Swords! Woo!
Look up the calibrator. It's a Thunder. It gains like 300 for each level or something your opponent controls. It's a Thunder. It's ridiculous.
As long as I'm making money. I mean, I don't know. Another Baby Elemental. You're gonna have to help me sort these comments if you don't mind. And you said you wanted the Hamstrat?
Amstrat and Gauntlet Launcher. And a Mega Raptor if you pull it.
Is that what rarity is that?
What Mega Raptor?
Yeah.
It's super.
Okay.
And if you get a Dragossack, you can have anything you want, dude. I need it.
That card.
Need one bad.
No secret
I
yet.
got a Sombre.
Hey, I still need some.
You still got more than half your packs.
I know.
Already pulled really good.
Yeah. Totem Bird.
Oh, I need that, dude.
Is that any
You're the
good?
first person to pull a Totem Bird.
Is Totem Bird any good?
Nobody likes him, but I want to run him.
Oh well.
It's not a bad secret, but
How many boxes do you get? 8. Oh, you'll pull a duplicate.
at least you're not pulling Coyotes and Torrential
I
Reborns.
guess. Number 69.
You'll pull a duplicate.
I still haven't done too bad on this.
No, dude.
I need space.
You still got quite a bit of packs.
Yeah, I did.
I still haven't.
Still can pull Sombres and Omegas.
I need the Omegas.
Yeah, you do. He makes that deck so good.
Yeah. Same with Sombres. I need to show you the OTK with him.
Yeah, you do.
I got an Omega.
Another little baby one.
Dragossack? Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh my god, my first E-Dragon rare.
Hysteric Sign.
Is that any good?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Do people want that though?
Yes. Hey, Harpies, bro.
Oh yeah, Harpies are a thing.
That card makes Harpies broke.
Mind Drain. Yes, another
Sombre.
Sombre.
Nice. Need just one more, son.
It's a misprint. Pull 9 Dragosacks.
That would be amazing.
I'm expecting at least one of those in my case.
Harpy Channeler.
Nice.
You got an Ultra and an Ultra.
You probably made your money back on that box already.
Yeah.
Ben's getting good boxes.
I mean, we got. Commons are overflowing.
Stacks on stacks on stacks.
Same here.
I've always noticed that they're in the middle of the right or left hand.
I don't think I have any more
We're in the
hollows.
middle left so far. That we
I think you have one
That's
super
what I've
left.
always experienced that.
No.
Steam.
2 for 2!
I got one left.
2 for 2! Oh, that's good for news for you. Or for you. I said put it with you? Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so that was the end of the first second of 4. Recap.
I'm gonna hover.
RP Chandler, Sombre, Sign, Tonenberg,
That's my theory.
yeah, so I didn't do too bad. But yeah, so
Pretty much
we'll be doing this in a bit. So
Good like that.
Part 2
yep, coming up.
coming up.
Tell me when you're
I'm
starting.
actually really
Started.
concerned that like out of 3 boxes, I'm not going to
This
Oh.
is